Hi everyone, this is Aaron with Crypto Trends. Today is February 7th, 2018, and today I thought I'd have a little fun with my cat. And in this video, I'm going to cover how you can use your cat to pick crypto. And this is a very scientific method. We'll get into it. And please keep in mind that this is not financial advice, only the opinion of my cat. So first off, let's go to coin market cap. It's sitting at 383 billion with Bitcoin dominance at 35.6%. Bitcoin is nice. It's above 8,000. Yay, go. Ripple 76 cents. Litecoin 148. And yeah, we have a column of green here, pretty much in the 24-hour. Red, yeah, looks like the bots kicked in or something. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Anyway, what is important is I thought I was having some free time and just having fun. I thought I'd come up with a little experiment to see if my cat could pick crypto. And so let's get into this highly scientific experiment, and you're going to have, actually, you might have pretty good results. Give it a try. Yeah, so let's go here and I'll show you what I did and how I carried out this scientific experiment. So, yeah, there's the cat, okay? So you have the cat on the ground, right? And then you take some pieces of paper. Let's say you only do two, okay? You don't want to overwhelm the poor thing. So just do a real light sketch of the logo of the crypto you're going to do on two pieces of paper, okay? Put some little treats there for them so that they know you know where to go. Have them equally spaced apart, and yeah, so that's about it. Also, an important thing to do is when you're in order to put the energy in, this is like an energy experiment as well. What you can do is you can hold the piece of paper between your hands and you can say, like, this is Litecoin, this is Litecoin, other one, this is Ripple, this is Ripple, and then you like put it on the ground, put the treats on it, and so what I did is I'll go back. So I carried out this experiment, and I'll show you what I compared. I held up, I compared Cardano to Ripple, all right, and the cat liked Ripple. And then I picked, of all things, I did the same thing with IOTA and Litecoin, and the cat picked Litecoin. And it was I'll be darned. Okay, great. And then I said, okay, well, all right, fine. And then I did Litecoin to Ripple, mainly because I already had those two drawn. And the cat chose Litecoin. So anyway, give this a try. It's loads of fun. It's stupid silly. But you know what? Cats, heck, I don't know. Maybe you could use your cat to do crypto. But yeah, if you like this video, it's just a fun one. So, excuse me, go ahead and hit that like, hit the subscribe, and, hit the bell to be notified of the next time my cat selects crypto. Anyway, guys, have a good one. I'm laughing too much.